In this video, I'm going to show you how to export profiles in Cursor AI step by step. If you use Cursor every day, exporting your profile can be really useful because it helps you back up your settings, move your setup to another device, or keep a copy of your preferred workspace configuration. This is a simple process, but if you know where to click, it only takes a minute. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click on File. This is where Cursor keeps a lot of its main options and settings shortcuts. After that, move down and click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find different customization and account-related options, so this is the area you want to be in when managing profiles. Next, click on Profile. Then, click on Profiles. This will take you to the section where all of your available profiles are listed. Now you'll see the profile you want to export. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple profiles saved. Once you've found the profile you want, click the three dots beside it. This opens the menu with additional actions for that profile. From the menu, click Export. Cursor will then ask you how you want to export the profile. You'll usually see options like Local or GitHub. If you want to save the profile directly to your computer, choose Local. That's the option I'm selecting here because it's the easiest way to create a backup file and store it safely on your device. After selecting Local, you'll be asked to choose a location on your computer. Pick a folder that you can easily remember, such as your Downloads folder, Desktop, or a dedicated backup folder for Cursor settings. Once you've selected the location, click Save. Cursor will then export the profile and store it in the folder you chose. After that, your profile backup is ready to use whenever you need it. If you ever want to restore it later or move it somewhere else, having that exported copy makes the process much easier. So just to recap, open Cursor AI, go to File, Preferences, Profile, Profiles, choose the profile you want, click the three dots, select Export, choose Local or GitHub, and then pick a save location and click Save. And that's how you export profiles in Cursor AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cursor AI tips and simple step-by-step software tutorials.